Hi, it's Hannah, and today's video is very exciting because I'm partnering with ASP to show you how to use their Make It Peelable base coat. This base coat turns ASP soak-off gels into peelable gel polish. I'll also be doing this new gel manicure with pretty glitter accent nails, so let's get started. ASP's Make It Peelable Kit has everything you need for a DIY peelable gel manicure. You have a 2-in-1 dehydrator cleansing wipe, bonder, Make It Peelable base coat, top coat, gel polish, and a USB-powered LED lamp. For the best results, start by pushing back your cuticles and lightly buffing the nail with a high grit buffer. Remove any dust and dehydrate the nail with the 2-in-1 dehydrator cleansing wipe. Coat the entire nail plate with ASP's bonder. Next, apply Make It Peelable base coat, making sure to cap the free edge. Now apply one layer of your gel polish. I'll be using Poetry in Motion and Studio 54. Also, if you're interested in where you can purchase this kit, I'll be leaving a link below. Cure under the LED lamp for 30 seconds. I'm doing my 4 nails first and then my thumb. Apply a second coat of polish if needed, then cure. Next, apply a layer of top coat and of course, cure again. Remove the sticky layer with the 2-in-1 dehydrator cleansing wipe using a lint-free wipe. Now you have this pretty gel manicure that will last up to 12 days even with the peel-off base coat. When you're ready to remove it, lift the gel on the tip or near the cuticle and it'll come right off. Remove any remaining residue from the nail with alcohol and that's it. I really hope you enjoyed this video and like seeing how this base coat works. Be sure to find me on social and tag me all your nail pics, I'd love to see them. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you later. Bye!